In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a cookie consent pop-up in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the Apps section. Search for a cookie consent app and install it in your project. Launch the app and open the Settings tab. Configure options such as the consent duration, pop-up position, display regions, and any other preferences to match your privacy requirements. If you are using tracking tools like Google Analytics or Metapixel, add their IDs in the script section and assign the appropriate consent categories so they only run after visitors grant permission. Choose a cookie banner template that matches your website, save your settings, and publish your site. Then test the pop-up to make sure it appears correctly and records visitor consent as expected. That's how to add a cookie consent pop-up in Webflow. Thanks for watching.